Hello, my name is Kam and I will be leading today's tutorial. The product owner for this project is Dr. Mario Eraso and the mentor is Dr. Masood. This user story focused on creating a tutorial for the users so that new users can quickly learn how to use the app. The beneficiary is a user since they will have a clear guideline on how to use the app. The reason for creating the tutorial is that the application does not take inputs such as numbers and special characters, and it needs specific formatting for time inputs as well. So we want the users to know exactly what a valid input is. It also has additional instructions that the users need to know. These are the use case diagram and the sequence diagram of the user story. I will demonstrate the diagrams using the emulator of Android Studio. On the home screen, you simply click the tutorial button and you'll be taken to the tutorial page. And here you can see all the guidelines that the user need to know. This is the class diagram of the user story. It was simply a matter of creating a new activity for the tutorial activity and linking it with the existing main activity. The tutorial class contains the strings that will be displayed on the tutorial page. There's nothing complex or exciting going on in this class. As this was purely GUI, there is no unit test. We performed the steps of going from the main activity to the tutorial activity to make sure that they're integrated properly, and it is repeated whenever we make an update to the main screen or to the tutorial screen. If you have any questions, you can email my partner Lisette or me through the emails displayed on the screen. Thank you.